Hello, childrens. Lesson number 5, Operation on Rational Numbers. We have started this lesson before the exam only. Okay, before unit test we have started this lesson, and we seen the addition. We seen the addition, subtraction, multiplication of some of the rational numbers. Some of the rational numbers, and we are solving the division. We have to study this part also we seen in last lecture, and now we came to the next part, that is the let us discuss. So what is given in let us discuss, that we will see at first. Okay, so here it is given that let us took the characteristics of various groups of numbers and discuss them in the class to help you complete following table. So we have to, by using this, we have to complete the following table. Okay, so here it is. Consider the group of natural numbers. Okay, you know that natural numbers, they are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Natural numbers, then integers. Integers also you know that all natural numbers means positive numbers, negative some numbers. Okay, and rational numbers. All numbers are rational number. Only condition is that the denominator of a number must not be 0. Okay, then consider the group of natural numbers, integers and rational numbers. In front of each group, write the inference you make after carrying out the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using correct or wrong. Okay, where we have to give the correct and wrong. Remember that you cannot divide by 0, because when you divide with the 0, it is not a rational number. Now, if a natural number is added, their sum is always a natural number. Is it correct? Yes. Any natural number take 2, any another natural number take 5. Its sum is a rational number. Its answer is 7, and 7 is also a natural number. So we put tick in the addition. So here we have to give the correct mark. Here already given it is. Now the next set is the in front of the group of natural numbers. So here already it was given to you. Second point is given that, however, if we subtract one natural number, so here it is 2, from the another natural number. Okay, suppose I will take it here 5 minus 2. Okay, if we subtract a natural number, that is 2, from the another natural number, that is the 5, its answer not a natural number. Here it is 3, it was came, and 3 is a natural number. But if I will change the sequence, 2 minus 5, okay, 2 I took forward and 5 I took back side, you will notice that minus 3 is the answer. Bigger number sign always we are giving. We have studied. गलत बात को गलत कहना सही होता है, सही बात को गलत बात को सही कहना गलत होता है. Okay, sorry. So in this way its sign is negative. And as you know that minus 3 is not a negative, not a natural number. It is a integer. Okay, so here it is given that is only given here, that if the answer is not always a natural number, there are numerous examples. 7 minus 10 minus 3. So to under subtraction, if we put the cross sign under, so here it was given the cross sign. If there is a cross in the table, explain why, to explain the reason for it. So here example is given, it is the reason. Only one of the numerous example is sufficient. It was sufficient. Okay, now we will see the multiplication. Okay, any two natural numbers you have to take two natural numbers. I will take 2 and 5. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 is a natural number because it is positive number. So here it was given correct sign. Clear? If it is correct, it's not necessary to give the example for it. Okay, now we will see the division. the division. So here 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5. If we see here, 3 and 5 are not divisible by any number because both are the prime numbers, and so its a division remains, that is 3 upon 5. Okay, 3 upon 5, and that's why here cross is given because it is not 3 upon 5 is not a natural number. In this way we have to complete the box, right? Now here integers, take any two integers. Suppose I will take here 3 and minus 5. Okay, 3 and minus 5 I have taken, different sign I have to go took here. We have to do the addition of both of this, so I put here, this is the operations addition sign. Now if you do the subtraction of this, you will notice that 5 minus 3 is 2, and sign which one we have to give? The bigger number is 5, so negative 2 is the answer, and the addition is negative 2 is a integer, and it is the what? Integer. It is the integer, and that's why here it will come correct sign. Now subtraction. If you see here, okay, I will take the another example, subtractions example I will take now. Tell me 5 3 minus, I want to do the subtraction, so I will take another integer. I will take integer here minus 5. Integers means which number? I told you positive, negative and the 0. So here 3 minus plus 5, and answer is 8, and 8 is a integer, so here also it will come the correct mark, right? Now the multiplication. Two integers you have to take, multiplication of two integers. 2 into minus 3 if I will take. Integers means positive, negative. 2 3s are 6. 6 is an integer, so here it will come the correct sign. If you took both the negative sign, minus 6 it will come. Minus 6 is also integer. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 6. So minus 6 is also integer. So here also it will come the integers. Now the division we will take now. Now division inside, what we have to do? To this only example we will take. Only here I will take, instead of multiplication sign, I will take it here division sign. Okay, so if I will divide it here, I will get it here minus 2 upon minus 3. So both negative signs cancel, and the answer will remain 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. Signs will get cancelled, so is equal to 2 upon 3, and 2 upon 3 is not an integer, so here it will come the cross sign, and here we have to write minus 2 divided by minus 3 is equals to 2 upon 3, and 2 upon 3 is not a what? Integer, and that's why we have to write here as it is. Okay, so this is the second bracket, just note down this. Then we will see the next, that is the rational numbers, how to complete this. So the rational number, take any two rational numbers. 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. Answer is 5 upon 5 equals to 1. 1 is a rational number. All positive numbers, all negative numbers, 0. Only condition is that the denominator must not be 0. So this will come here. Okay. Then so here 1 is a rational number, so here we have to give the correct mark. Now we will see the multiplication. If we do the multiplication of this, instead of this, here if we done the multiplication, any two rational numbers you have to take. If I will done the multiplication and I will give them negative sign here, 3 2s are 6 and 5 5s are 25. Answer is minus 6 upon 25. Answer is minus 6 upon 25. 20 and 6 upon 25 is a rational number. So correct mark we have to give here. Okay. Now the next point is the what? We have to addition subtractions in, no? So addition inside also that will come. Subtraction inside also 3 upon 5 minus 4 upon, suppose I will take here 0. Okay. So if we done the 0, you know that number, any number minus 0 is the same number, that is the 3 upon 5. So subtraction also rational number. 3 upon 5 is the rational. Rational numbers condition is that denominator of the number must not be 0. Multiplications also we seen that it is also coming same. And division inside also, suppose I will take the example. Okay, so division inside, these are all are correct came. Division inside two rational numbers I will take. 5 upon 7 into 40 into not divide we have to take, divided by 10 upon 14. If you solve this, you will get that 5 upon 7 divides, we have to do the multiplication, and 10 upon 14 is there, it's a inverse we have to take, that is the 14 upon 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 get cancels with 2, answer is 2, and 2 is a rational number. Okay, so if you add, if you subtract, if you multiply, divide the rational numbers, you will get every time a rational numbers. If you done the addition of integers, you will get the integer, subtraction of integer you will get integers, multiplication also you will get integer, but division inside you will not get the integers. And for natural number, addition is the hello. So in this way we got the answers of our questions. Okay, natural numbers addition is natural number, subtraction is not a natural number, multiplication is a natural number, and division is not a natural number. For rational number, addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever you do, answer is always a rational number. And for integer, division only, not a integer, but multiplication, addition and subtraction is the what? Integers. So in this way we have to complete understand the rules of it. The group of natural number is closed. The group of natural number is closed for addition, multiplication, but not for the subtraction and division. Here they told you, just we seen here, for this group of addition and subtraction, multiplication, it is open, but it closed for addition and multiplication, but for subtraction and division it was not. In other words, the difference of any two natural numbers is quotient obtained by dividing one natural number by the another will not always a natural number. Just now we see the group of integer is closed for addition, subtraction, multiplication, but for division what it was came here cross sign, so it was closed for the division. And for rational numbers, just now we seen that the group of rational numbers is closed for all operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The answer is always a rational number. From these three rules what we are understanding, for natural number, the answer of natural number is natural number if you done the addition and the multiplication. For subtraction, division, it is not, the group is closed. For integer, addition, subtraction and multiplication group is open, but for division it was closed. And for rational number, for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, what happens? The group is open. Okay, so in this way we understood the rules of the multiplication, division, subtraction and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for what? For the what we are saying, the natural number, integers and the rational numbers. Okay, so today you have to complete. I thought I will teach you the this, but we have to, but today all of you complete this first, second, third, fourth question. Division we will see tomorrow and complete also tomorrow. Okay, कुठे आहेत ते? So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you. पैसे नाही आहेत, कॅश करायचं होतं, वर या म्हणायचं नाही त्याला, गुगल पे करायचं होतं. आला का?